Hello student, I am so happy, because I am back. And you? Are you happy?
Yes, we are happy. That teacher before was really ugly.
Don't talk about her.
I am sorry.
Well, I think nothing changed, is that right?
But yes. So much changed, DONT you see? We are good and clever students.
You really think that? Are you wanna make me lot?
What? It's true. Why you can't believe us?
Because you are only small brats, which don't like TTHER new teacher, especially me, and I don't like you, okay? So we can't be friends and we never will be on the same boat, okay?
What? You said you wanna be friends with us. Why you changed your mind? I don't think you are so horrible teacher. I hate you.